Hi, I'm Hirokazu Tamamura from TMDU. Today, I'm going to talk about our HIV research. In the world, there are still lots of HIV infectious people. This is life cycle of HIV. Blue colors are clinical use drugs, and also our laboratory has developed some agents shown in red colors. Recently, treatment with a cocktail of drugs has brought a great success, but not perfect, so alternative treatments are required. This is the mechanism of HIV entry into target cells. HIV has an envelope protein, GP120, and approaches CD4 on target cells. Initially, the P43 cavity of GP120 binds to CD4, and then this binding causes a conformational change of GP120. Thereby, the V3 loop is exposed, so the V3 loop binds to a co-receptor. Finally, HIV enters the cells. We would like to use a neutralizing antibody because it's very mild. This antibody recognizes the V3 loop, so blocks the next step. But the time and the space of the access of this antibody are limited. So, in this study, we have tried to find CD4-like small compound, CD4 mimic, instead of CD4 protein. CD4 mimic binds to the P43 cavity of GP120 and causes a conformational change of GP120 so that the antibody can attack it and also inhibit the binding of GP120 and CD4 competitively. Actually, this strategy has two action points. This is the X-ray crystal structure of solved CD4 and GP120. There are two amino acid residues of CD4. This is the P43 cavity. So, as CD4 mimic, we would like to design compounds which occupy this cavity to mimic phenylalanine 43 and arginine 59. Now, we would like to design CD4 mimic. Initially, we have developed YIR821, but the half-life in vivo is not good. So, the next is TKB002. Here, we attached a polyethylene glycol PEG group to improve PK. As CD4 mimic, we would like to use pegylated CD4 mimic, TKB002. Combination therapy of neutralizing antibody and CD4 mimic is very useful. Now we'd like to apply these researches to drug development for emerging and re-emerging infectious diseases, such as COVID-19. I would like to thank you for your attention.